HUMAIRA and welcome back to my channel!
Yay!
So, for today's topic, we are going to talk about computer network. Let's find a spot so we can talk about it. Do you ever wonder how computer network evolved over time? Worry not, because the video will be all about that. So, let me introduce you to our first guest, Alex. Alex.
I'm here.
Alex? Hi!
Hi.
So Alex, tell me a little bit about computer network.
Okay, hi. Today I'll give a quick history of computer network. Okay, imagine the 1940s where computers were just a giant calculator, no Wi-Fi, no TikTok, just math. Then in the 1969, ARPANET was born, basically the grandparents of the internet. By the 70s and 80s, people were sending the very first email. Internet was invented, and TCP/IP made computers speak the same language. Jump to the 90s, Tim Berners-Lee drops the World Wide Web, and suddenly the internet goes mainstream. By the 2000s, we got Wi-Fi and faster broadband, and in the 2010, smartphones use us to the internet 24/7. And today, we have got 5G, every kind of gadget, and even AI that helps us with everything. The network really runs the world. That's all for me. Thank you.
Wow, that's very interesting, Alex. So next, we have to introduce you to our next guest, which is SYAZWAN.
Hi Raina.
Hi SYAZWAN. So I wonder, how do computer network works?
Well, computer network is quite a broad subject and it's quite complicated, although I can simplify it. But at first, we will start to discuss about the components in computer networks. So one of them being the router and the modem, which you usually find in your house. And the way that I will be going to discuss on how computer network works is through when you watch Netflix, when you are streaming a video. So basically, your device, which is your phone or maybe your laptop, you connect your router, in which your router will route you to the modem, in which the modem will connect you to the local ISP or internet service provider, maybe the telecom or whatever TM or whatever you subscribe to, and the internet service provider will finally connect you to the server that Netflix provides across the globe, in which the servers will combine together to provide you a seamless streaming experience so you can watch the video very well.
Wow, that's a lot of things. Thank you, SYAZWAN, for the interesting segment. Let's turn forward to my point, which is types of computer network, and we have four main types of computer network: PAN, LAN, MAN, and WAN. So PAN is personal area network, which is the smallest type of computer network. It is designed for a very limited range, typically within a few meters, connecting your phone to such things as printers or headphones. And then we have local area network, one of the most widely used types of computer network. It covers a small geographical area, such as single building like an office, school, or home. And next, we have metropolitan area network, MAN, which is larger than a LAN but smaller than a WAN. It usually spans a city or large campus, connecting multiple LANs together. And last but not least, we have wide area network, WAN, which is the largest type of network covering very large geographical area, even across countries and continents. And one of the most famous example of a WAN is the internet. I'll say save the best for the last. So presenting to you our last guest, RIYAN DAFINAH.
Hello, Raina.
Hi RIYAN, nice to meet you.
You too.
So I would really wonder, what's the benefit of all the computer network that exists in this world?
Sure. So first of all, one of the benefits of computer network is sharing resources. So for example, in schools and even at home, we use printers, which we can use with a lot of people. Second, we also use computer networks for communication. For example, without computer networks today, we aren't able to communicate with other people. We can't even text you if we don't have computer networks. Number 3, computer networks is beneficial for collaboration. Because have you ever done a presentation, for example, using Google Docs or Canva, where multiple people are able to use the same application at one time? That's what it means by collaboration. It makes things easier and saves time for us. Fourth, computer networks is also beneficial for data sharing. By using a USB drive, it's possible for us to share data amongst ourselves. The second last point of mine is for centralized storage. For example, remember during the PKP era where we learned through Google Classroom? Yeah, that way teachers are able to upload their files on it and multiple students are able to see the set files. Last but not least, computing networks is also beneficial for cost saving. By sharing devices like printers, storage, or even internet connection, it helps us reduce expenses and instead of buying separate devices.
Oh, that's very cool. Thank you so much for your info.
Thank you.